This is our Forex blog video for March 3rd, 2017. I just want to showcase our stats for the week and show some of the charts. Each day I fix some of the losing trades that showed up. If they have certain variables and values that are what I consider out of bounds, which typically lead to losses rather than wins. And so those losses don't show up on these stats. Also, each day I code up 5 or 6 new patterns, and those are obviously showing up on these stats, and they wouldn't have shown up live. But rather than keep 3 sets of stats, this is how I've done it, and you can compare the trades and how many show up from week to week over the last couple of years that I've been doing these blog videos. So here's Sunday, Monday. There's 44 trades, 377 net pips. The losses average 4.7 pips, and the wins average 15. So almost 4 times bigger wins than losses that day. Tuesday, lots of trades, 156 net pips because there's a lot of losers that day. 7.9 pips, so about 8 pip loss. There's a lot more losers than wins, but the wins are 2 times bigger than the losses. This was a tough week. There was a lot of patterns I fixed, so hopefully the accuracy goes up dramatically over the next few weeks. This is Wednesday, only 58 pips net. Again, lots of losers. 6 pip average loss. And you can see 9.3 pip average win. So this was a very tough day without too many super big wins, none over 50 pips. Here's Thursday, 326 pips, 5.8 pip average loss, and 13.4 pip average win. And Friday, I fixed quite a few trades on Friday, about 15. So those losses obviously aren't showing up on here. This is 445 pips net. The losses are 4.8 pips, and the wins 14 pips. I'll just showcase some of the charts. You can see the euro dollar here had a nice 40 or 50 pip win at the end. A very small or break even trade here, small loss or break even. 5 pip loss, 30 or 40 pip win. Counter trend trades here, unfortunately lost, broke even. You got those losers back on that one nice win here. Euro yen, pretty much a 5-6 pip loss there. Earlier in the day, huge 50 pip win and about a 10 pip win. Previous day, you can see small win, small loss, break even, small win. Pound yen, small win, break even, small win, loss. Went long right here. That's pretty much a 5 pip loss, small loss, win. You can see small win here, small win. Pound, pretty much break even on that one. Nice 25-30 pip win there. 5 or 6 pip win there. Another 5 or 6 pip win. This one's probably a 5 pip loss. This is an 8 pip loss. But it gives you an idea that most days and most currencies, there's one nice win that gets rid of the losses. You can see pretty much a loss, small win here. This would have probably got back that loss. You're left with this profit, and at the end of the day, pretty much flat, but you always want to close. I tend not to even take the last trades on the Friday, so unless it's quite a bit earlier than when the market closes. Then a small win, 5-10 pip win here, 5-10 pip win. Here's the dollar yen. This one had a lot of good trades. Small 15 pip win here, made 5 pips there, 30 or 40 pips there. Shorted here, made 30 pips, bought here, and made about 10 or 15 pips. This one went long and then short immediately, so lost about 5 or 6 pips, then made 5 or 6 back, plus made money on that one. This one worked. You see the previous day it had a small win at the end, Here's the dollar Swiss. This one has a little bit of a win there. No other trades that day. Previous day, you can see a nice little win. Gets out of that long right at the. Our counter trend methods are getting better and better. Flips and goes short, makes money. Got in a little bit too soon on this, on trying to get back in the direction of the trend. That was a loss, and then the second trade worked for about 20 or 30 pips. There's the dollar CAD. You can see small loss here, or break even, small win. This one here was a loss. The previous one was about 10-15 pip win, 10-15 pip win. This one maybe made 5 or 6 pips on that trade. And it gives you a feeling that there's usually not multiple losses in a row. It certainly can happen. Here's one where it had a nice win at the end, a win, small loss, before that, small win. Nice counter trend buy at the bottom. Unfortunately, it didn't just shoot up, which sometimes happens, but it was a small win. And our statistical tools do a very good job of allowing me to know when the markets move too far, and then when the momentum slows. In other words, I typically, when the market's down a lot, don't just buy after a multiple bar down up. I wait for a little bit of sideways consolidation showing there's no more selling, and then we get into counter trend trades frequently. So that's it for this week's blog, and I'm going to try to continue to do one each week just so you can see how our system has progressed.